Convert columns into rows with pandas. So my dataset has some information by location for n dates. The problem is each date is actually a different column header. For example, the CSV looks like. What I would like is for it to look like. My problem is I don't know how many dates are in the column, though I know they will always start after name.
Use .melt. Older versions, 0.20. You can use pd.melt to get most of the way there, and then sort. Might want to throw in a .reset_index, drop equals true, just to keep the output clean. Note, pd.dataframe.sort has been deprecated in favor of pd.dataframe.sort_values. I guess I found a simpler solution. Concat whole temp1 with temp2's column name. You now have what you asked for.
pd.wide_to_long. You can add a prefix to your year columns and then feed directly to pd.wide_to_long. I won't pretend this is efficient, but it may in certain situations be more convenient than pd.melt, e.g. when your columns already have an appropriate prefix.
Use set_index with stack for multi-index series, then for data frame at reset_index with rename.